Now I'd like to go and do a demonstration of how our TSM-2100 works. You'll see with the machine that it is a battery operated and has a control on the top that has two high speed or low speed systems. You always want to be on the one when using this machine. The other side of the machine is it has a control down here at the bottom that controls just the speed from a higher to a lower depending on which gear you had in from the top. Our TSM-2100 also has a safety guard to make sure your fingers don't get inside when it's operating. And you have a control here for our knob for feeding the cutter head in and out when doing your cutting. Your knob on top is for adjusting, of course, your collet up and down to install your tubing. On our tool bits, when you're installing it, you want to make sure that the screws are tightened on the back side of the tool bit. It fits in, set it up, put it into where you're having it for the size tubing that you're doing. Make sure you tighten down and have at least 2 screws that are locked onto the tool bit. Our collet systems for the TSM-2100, there's 2 dimples on both sides of the collet. And with this, you don't have any screws to tighten the collet down into the tool. All you have to do is go in, and there's a small little dimple here. When installing the collet, go and clamp it down, set it in, and it snaps into place. When you get it in, make sure it clamps and locks down. Tighten it down. And then your tubing goes in, making sure it doesn't touch the tool bit. Clamp it down nice and tight. Go ahead and start your speed. Make sure you have no contact with the tube. Feed your knob in. Nice and easy. You can see the chip. Back it off, take your tube out, and you'll notice that you have a nice, good finish on your tubing. And that finishes our demonstration of the TSM-2100.